So hello everyone. So now I am here to discuss problems on relation. Okay, theory already I have covered in last video. So now we will discuss some previous year questions and some important questions that will be expected to be asked. Okay. So let us start with first question. The question is, if a equal to 2, 3 and 5, b equal to 2, 5, 6, then a minus b cross a intersection b is. Four options are given: 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5. Option B is given 3, 2, 3, 5, 3, 6. And option C is 3, 2 and 3, 5. 3, 2, sorry, 3, 5, and option D is given none of this. So we have two sets, set A and set B. Elements of set B, set A are 2, 3 and 5. Elements of set B are 2, 5 and 6. Okay. We have to find A minus B cross A intersection B. So this is the mixed problem of set theory and relation. And this is the problem of Cartesian product. Cross means this is the product, Cartesian product. First of all, A minus B. What is A minus B? What is meaning of A minus B is elements of A which is not present in B. So in A we have 2, 3, 5. What is in B? In B other than A is given what? 6. Okay. And 3 is also not present in B. So A minus B will be equal to 3 because 3 is not present in B. Meaning of A minus B is elements of A which is not present in B. So 3 is not present in B. So now we will find A intersection B, means common element between A and B. So 2, 3, 5 is here, here 2, 5 and 6 is there. So again 2 and 5 are common here in A and B. So A minus B cross A intersection B, that will be equal to 3 cross 2 and 5. This will give 3, 2 and 3, 5 Cartesian product. So C option is correct option. Okay. So Cartesian product of A minus B, which is 3, A intersection B, which is 2 and 5, is 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2 and 3, 5. So C option is the correct option. Next question. Next question is, if n of A is given 4, n of B is given 3, and n of A cross B cross C is given 24, find n of C. Options are given 1, 2, 3 and none of these. Okay. So what we have to find out? Number of element in set C. Number of element in set A is given 4. Number of element in set B is given. So this is the Cartesian product of A, B and C. So n of A cross B cross C is same as n of A into n of B into n of C. Okay. What is this given? This is given 24. N of A is given 4. N of B is given 3. And this is our required value. So what is n of C value? 24 by 12, which is 2. So B option is correct option, which is equal to 2. Okay. So n of A cross B cross C will be equal to n of A into n of B into n of C. So this is the problem of Cartesian product. Next one, next question is let A equal to here, sorry, n of A is equal to n, then number of all relation on A is all relation on A is option A is given 2 power n, B is given 2 power factorial n, C is 2 power n square and D is none. What we have to find out here? The number of all relation on set A. So here relation is from A to A only, okay, and relation is from A to A only, both are A only. Here we have n elements, here also we have n elements because both are same, okay. So what is number of element in A cross A? That will be equal to n into n equal to n square. So what is total number of relation? So total number of relation is equal to, we know that what is the relation? Relation is all the possible subset of A cross B. So total subset of A cross A will be here 2 power n square. So option C is correct option. So total number of relation will be equal to 2 power number of element in A into number of element in A only, because both are same here. So n into n, that will give n square. Okay. Next question is it's a very important question. The relation R is given 1 1 2 2 3 3 1 2 2 3 and 1 3. Okay. So what we have to find out on set A, which is 1 2 and 3 is option A is reflexive but not symmetric. Reflexive but not symmetric. Option B is reflexive but not transitive. Reflexive but not transitive. Option C is symmetric and transitive. Symmetric and transitive. And option D is given neither symmetric nor transitive. Neither symmetric nor transitive. So these are the 4 options given here. We have to check out which one is correct. So one by one we will check here. Relation is given 1 1 2 2 3 3 1 2 2 3 and 1 3. And in set A we have 1 2 and 3. So start from first option, reflexive. Is it reflexive? Yes, this is reflexive because 1 1 2 2 and 3 3 all are present here. Other than this way we can take 1 2 2 3 1 3. That must come from 1 2 3 only. So all these elements are belongs to 1 2 and 3. So this is a reflexive. This is a reflexive only till now. Now we will check for symmetric. Is it symmetric or not? See 1 1 2 2 3 3. 1 2 is here but 2 1 is missing. 2 3 is there but 3 2 is missing. So this is reflexive only but not symmetric. So this option is incorrect. Sorry, not symmetric. So this is correct option. Now we will check for second option. Reflexive is okay but not transitive. See, up to here no problem. We have 1, 2. Suppose this is A, this is B. So this is B and C. B to C. So A to C must be 1 and 3, and 1 and 3 is given here. So this is transitive relation. So here we have symmetric and transitive, but this is not symmetric. So this is wrong option. Not transitive. This is also wrong because this is transitive. Last one is neither symmetric nor transitive. So this is transitive. So this is also incorrect option. So first one is correct option. Reflexive but not symmetric. This is only reflexive and transitive relation. Okay. Next question is also very important. This is previous year question. At r equal to, we have 3, 3, 6, 6, 9, 9, 12, 12, 6, 12 and 3, 9. This relation is given here on set A equal to 3, 6, 9 and 12. Then the relation is first one. Option is given equivalence. Option B is given reflexive and symmetric only. Option C is given reflexive and transitive only. Reflexive and transitive only. And option D is reflexive only. Option D is reflexive only. So we have to check out which one is correct option. Relation is given 3, 3, 6, 6, 9, 9, 12, 12, 6, 12 and 3, 9. So this is reflexive. Up to here, this is enough sufficient condition for reflexive. So this is reflexive here. Very reflexive. Okay. Now we will check for symmetric. Is it symmetric? 6, 12 is there, but 12, 6 is not there. A to B, so B must be related with A. So 6, 12 is there, but 12, 6 is missing. Similarly, 3, 9 is here, but 9, 3 is missing. So this is not a symmetric. So reflexive. Now we will check for transitive. Up to here, no problem. 6, 12, 3, 9. If this is A, this is B. A, B. But BC and AC is missing here. Okay. So here, in this case, we have to assume that this is transitive relation because AB is there but BC is not there. If BC will be there and AC is not present there, then we can say this is not transitive. But here we have to take it as transitive relation. So this is transitive also, reflexive and transitive. So option C is correct option because this is not symmetric. So this is incorrect. Not symmetric, so equivalence is also incorrect. Reflexive only. So this is reflexive and transitive also. So option C is correct option. So these are some questions which is very important question, which are very important and very important question for exam point of view. Okay. So just read this question and try to solve some other questions related to this chapter. Okay, and you will be benefited. So next class we will discuss another topic, next topic like function.